Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I've made design team stamps for Not2Shabby shop for the month of January. Hard to believe we're into 2019. And I also picked up a few other goodies for my Valentine's Day cards. I think I'm going to do a series. It might just be a mini series, but I'll go ahead and show you what I got. First, if you're not familiar with Not2Shabby, all the information is in the description box below. You can use my coupon code JEN10, that's Jen with 2 N's, to save 10% off your purchase. Jamie has just redone her website for a better shopping experience, and there is a new rewards program, so make sure to go over and check out the website. Jamie made this adorable little card using one of the new releases from Not2Shabby. Have a magical winter. Love this little scene, and this adorable little gnome is so cute. So for my design team stamps this month, I have the Waffle lot by Darcie's, which is super adorable, and I think I'm going to include this in my Valentine's Day series or mini series. So cute. I love the maple leaf, so Canadian, and the little maple syrup, and of course pancakes and waffles, and there's some great sentiments there. I'm also going to be using Soy Amazing. This is adorable for all you sushi lovers out there. Absolutely cute. Can't wait to play with that one as well. I also picked up the new release from Gerda Steiner Designs. This is lovely pandas. So super cute. Can't wait to color this up and make some Valentine's Day cards with this stamp set. From the new Fawn release, I picked up the Let's Toast, which the toaster and the images are way bigger than I actually thought they were when I first watched the Fawn videos. Super fun. I'm going to use this for Valentine's Day as well and may make another card. I also purchased the add-on die, the Let's Toast pull tab. So we'll see if this is easy as they made it look in the video. So there's some stamps that you can look forward to seeing projects from me in the month of January. I hope you're all having a fantastic new year, and I will see you soon with some cards. Take care, everybody. Bye.